how to count the area of composite figure. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope everyone is healthy and you are still staying at home. For today, we will study about how to count the area of composite figure. Let's review a little bit about our previous material. So we studied about how to count the area of 2D shapes. For example, we count about the area of square, rectangle, triangle, and other shapes. And today, we will study about how to count the area of composite figure. So what is composite figure? Actually, composite figure is a figure which consists of figures. It can be 2 figures or maybe more. For example, take a look. This figure consists of 2 figures. We have triangle and we also have a rectangle. So what we need to do is we need to count the area of triangle, and after that we count the area of the rectangle. After we've got all the areas, we sum up both areas. So for more information, let's take a look at this video.
What this is when you have 2 shapes put together and you're asked to find the total area. So here we're asked to find the area of this shape. So the way we do it is we split the shape up into 2 shapes which we can find. So at the minute it's an L shape which we wouldn't be able to work out. So we can split it up. I'm going to split it up downwards into 2 rectangles. We have rectangle 1, the larger one, and rectangle 2 on the side. So what we need to do now is find the area of part 1 and part 2. But before we do that, we're going to find the missing sides. So the first side we're going to find is this one here. So we're going to find this missing side. How long is it? So to find that one, this is the vertical ones, the ones which are going up. Well, the whole of the way up is 10. And the little bit up we have here is 3. So we know that the missing bit here must be 7, because 3 and 7 will make 10. So it has to add up to the same as this long side here. We do the same with the other missing piece, this part here. The whole way across at the bottom is 8 centimeters, and we know up to here is 5 centimeters. So what is left? Well, 3 centimeters is left, because 8 take away 5 will give me 3 centimeters. So we found the missing sides. Now all we need to do is work out the 2 area pieces. So number 1, it's a rectangle, so it's base times height. In this case, it's 5 across and it's 10 down. So it's 5 times 10, which is 50 centimeters squared. And then we find the area of number 2. So number 2 is 3 across, that's what we worked out, and it's 3 up. So again, it's base times height. So it's 3 times 3, which is 9 centimeters squared. And because these 2 shapes have been put together, we're going to add up these numbers, which will give us the answer of 59 centimeters squared. So it's quite an easy question. All you've got to do is find the missing sides, the missing lengths of your shape, split your shape up into 2, and then you can work out the area by finding the 2 pieces. Let's have a go at another example now, this time involving a triangle. So we have our shape. What we need to do first is to break it up into 2 shapes we know. So I'm going to break it up downwards again, because that will make a rectangle here and a triangle here. So we need to work out the area of both of these pieces and then add them up. But before we do that, we need to be able to work out the area of this triangle. Well, to work out the area of the triangle, you need to know the formula. So the formula for part 2, a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So the base of the triangle is this bit here. That would be the base of the triangle. Well, the whole way across is 10, and the first bit here is 4 centimeters. So to make it into 10 centimeters, this must be 6. So the base of the triangle is 6 centimeters. 10 take away 4. The height of the triangle is this bit here. Well, we know the whole height is 9 centimetres and up to here is 5 centimetres. So 9 take away 5 is 4. So this is 4 centimetres. So the area of part number 2 is 6 times 4 divided by 2. 6 times 4 is 24 divided by 2, which is 12 centimetres squared. Now we can find the area of number 1. So number 1 is just a rectangle. It's 4 across, so it's base times height, 4 across times 9 up. So 4 times 9 is 36 centimetres squared. So all I need to do is add up these two numbers, 36 add 12, which will give us 48 centimetres squared, which is the answer to this question. So I've gone through a couple of examples there, although there could be different types of questions. So you just need to remember what you're doing, which is splitting the shape up into parts which you know, finding any missing sides you need to find, and then adding up the answers.
So that's all about how to count the area of the composite figure. I hope the video helps you to answer the questions. And also I have already sent you some questions on Google Form. So what you need to do is just check the Google Form and then answer it. So that's all for this meeting. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye and God bless you.